Coach. Coach Mildred. Dito ako natuto sa kanya. Hindi ko gulo. Wala naon. Tapos na tayo, Coach. Papasignature. Girly. Thank you, Pop.
Thank you, ladies. Mamimiss ko kayo.
Oy, ako din. Miss ko talaga kayo.
Di ba may group?
For today, sa aming party. Sa aking mga kaklase tour. Si Blanche, gara. Bakit gara?
I'm Blanche.
I'm gara. Gara. Yan sila. Yan. Ha? Ano daw ilang tubig ang nainom?
Kainom talaga.
Lahat, di ba? Laki ng tiyan sa kakainom ng tubig.
Uy, isa po daw practice.
Mamaya na lang sila.
Doon lang kami sa mataas.
Kap, napagod na daw sila.
Wali ka rito, be.
Sa chorus na lang kami. OWIS, mamimiss kita. Mamimiss ko din to every graduation.
Hindi yung ganyan kaso ano siya, pang-hand lang. Ayan na yung bag.
Hindi pa siya. Dito ka dapat sa ano.
Dito po yung mataas. Ayan lang ang pag namin. Sabi niyo pa kasi, ayan ang taas.
Perfect na ito na lang.
Dito na lang. Coach, we don't have pen. Ay, video.
It's a video? Okay, yeah.
Coach, wala akong pen. Hi. Ay, ano naman yan? Hindi makas...
Good morning, everyone. Good morning, seniors. Good morning, all splashers. So let us congratulations to all. We did it.
Yes.
So let us all welcome Coach Pat, our program manager and adult program coordinator.
Hello.
Really big congratulations to everybody. Thank you. Okay. So I know everybody always asks me the question I really dread. When is the next lesson? Yes. You guys have actually done your 20 hours already. So Splash aims to get all swimmers 20 hours. So that's 12 hours for your beginner and then 8 hours for your beginner plus, okay? So we want you to continue to swim. Obviously, now all of the coaches have taught you guys, right, to a very, very high level already. So please organize yourselves. Please utilize the public swimming pools, right? We have so many great pools here in Hong Kong. You do not have to wait for a splash class to get back in the water, okay? So I really want you guys to make sure you use it. I don't want you to lose it, okay? Because sometimes I see people in the street, Coach, when's the next class? When's the next class? I don't know. Have you been swimming? No. It makes me so sad, okay? So I really want you guys to continue to swim, do so safely. You guys have all made such great new friends. I see all of you guys always chatting together, eating together, talking together. Really, really nice. So continue to build on those relationships and those friendships. And I hope to see you guys again in the future. Okay?
Ano
magkasunod tayo.
Pa-picture ako. Pa-picture ako. Doon ba? Opo! Doon na.
Giselle Morante.
Touch lang. Depende.
Wait lang.
Touch lang pala.
Yung mga tapos na dito sa
Tapos na picture naman.
Ako naman. Hawakan mo yan. Ako naman. Mamaya kapag 8:30 pa lang ito. Ang bilis mo naman tumayo.
Jennifer De Leon.
Ay! Hello? Basag na yan. Papalitan na.
Sige.
Tara!
Kaya makuha naman yan.
Uy, pa-picture na.
Yung tayo.
Mylene. Ano na siya?
Okay, next.
Marites Varela.
At